Programmable logic controllers, or PLCs, are the backbone of industrial automation. These robust computers control everything from assembly lines to complex manufacturing processes. But programming PLCs can be challenging, time-consuming, and prone to human error. Enter artificial intelligence, a game-changing technology that's revolutionizing how we approach PLC programming. AI is transforming the landscape of industrial automation by making PLC programming more efficient, accurate, and accessible. By leveraging machine learning algorithms and data analysis, AI can significantly reduce the time and effort required to program PLCs while improving overall system performance. So how exactly does AI assist in PLC programming? First, it can analyze vast amounts of historical data from similar systems to suggest optimal programming solutions. This means engineers can start with a solid foundation rather than building from scratch. AI can also identify potential issues or inefficiencies in existing PLC programs, recommending improvements that human programmers might overlook. Another powerful application of AI in PLC programming is its ability to generate code automatically. By inputting desired system behaviors and constraints, AI can create PLC programs that meet specific requirements. This not only speeds up the development process, but also reduces the likelihood of human coding errors. AI can also enhance PLC programming through predictive maintenance. By analyzing real-time data from sensors and actuators, AI algorithms can predict when equipment is likely to fail, allowing for proactive maintenance and minimizing costly downtime. However, integrating AI into PLC programming isn't without challenges. One major consideration is the need for high-quality, comprehensive data to train AI models effectively. Without accurate and diverse data sets, AI-generated solutions may be suboptimal or even incorrect. There's also the question of trust and reliability. While AI can generate PLC programs quickly, human oversight remains crucial to ensure safety and compliance with industry standards. Engineers must strike a balance between leveraging AI's capabilities and maintaining control over critical systems. Looking to the future, the synergy between AI and PLC programming holds immense potential. As AI technologies continue to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated tools that not only program PLCs, but also optimize entire industrial processes in real time. The integration of AI and PLC programming represents a significant leap forward in industrial automation. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, engineers can create more efficient, reliable, and adaptive control systems. As this technology continues to evolve, it will undoubtedly play an increasingly vital role in shaping the factories and industrial processes of tomorrow. To get started on learning how to enhance your PLC programming with AI, just ask. Call up your AI interface like ChatGPT to get started. To demonstrate using AI-generated code in your PLC programming, click here. To learn more about automation in PLC programming using the IEC XGB PLC from LS Electric, click here.